So I found this hood on Facebook Marketplace. They had already started sanding it down and had stripped the paint off of it, but then they just left it to sit outside. So I got it for low, took the drive to get this because it was a really good deal, and I went to work to sand down any of the surface rust, which is really minor, and kind of just prepare it, to get ready for paint. I had to fill some little like dings in it, so I did that. And then I went ahead and put some primer on it. Shout out to all of my support who's always trying to teach me and help me elevate in this car game and the stuff that I do, because I wouldn't know what I know without them. So shout out to them. So I got a new hood because my stock hood, there was a lot of rust in the keyhole, and I felt like it was better to just get a new hood without rust than trying to replace that or fix it. So that's why I got a new hood. So yeah, we're gonna get this car right. Like new fender, new door, new trunk, like body work is gonna be T. We getting it all done, quarter panels, all of it. So I'm real impressed, real excited. In addition to the body work, in order to get the car ready for paint, we have to remove some stuff off of the car. So the taillights, headlights, the weather strips, some of the molding, door handles, hood pins, all of that. So trying to get these taillights out, lowered the rust on these things. But yeah, I was able to get them off, and yeah, we're gonna go from here. We're getting everything going. So I'm still learning, but I feel like each time I get to do body work, I learn more and I get better. It's definitely a tedious task, but well worth it at the end. Shout out to my ladies who don't mind getting their hands dirty and learning some stuff about their cars.